Hey there, this is Rochelle from Arizona Oasis, and today I want to show you a totally new home type. This home was delivered to another one of our resort locations. However, if you like it, we can get you one at Arizona Oasis. Did we get it, Bob? Got it. Excellent. This home has French doors that open out onto the deck. Let's take a look inside. All right, here's the first look right here. This home just came in, so we haven't unwrapped anything yet. The kitchen is a galley style. It has quite a few upgrades in it that we're really excited about. It has a dishwasher. This backsplash is just gorgeous. And then it's got this stainless steel sink. Very cool. The stove is electric. It has an oven vent. And then the fridge is stainless steel, just like all the rest of the appliances. It has a drawer for the freezer. Here's a peek in the bathroom. So the sink is square, and we've got the backsplash in the bathroom as well. The shower is just gorgeous. It's gray tile, and then it has a rain shower head already installed. There's a washer dryer hookup in the hallway. This is the bedroom. It has a really cool feel to it. There are windows up above, and we have barn doors as well that slide shut. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more information, you can download a home brochure about owning at Arizona Oasis, or you can reach out to us. I will put the phone number below.